Hello all. Here we are given that when baking soda is mixed with lemon juice. Okay, जब हम baking soda के अंदर lemon juice को mix करते हैं, then bubbles are formed with evolution of a gas. And now we have to explain what is the change it is. What is the type of change this is. So first of all, यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे तो दो चीज को मिक्स करने से आपको कुछ एक गैस का इवोल्यूशन मिल रहा है. ठीक है, तो प्रॉपर्टीज इज बीइंग चेंज्ड एंड henceforth we will say that this is a chemical change. अब यहाँ पर ये जो बबल्स हैं, these are actually because of the carbon dioxide gas, that is CO2 gas. Lemon juice contains the citric acid, and the baking soda that we are mixing it with is having the chemical formula NaHCO3. Correct? So the reaction undergone is lemon juice, that is citric acid plus NaHCO3, is giving us carbon dioxide, which is the reason behind the bubbles, plus other products. Okay, so here we can say that this thing has different properties than these things. That's why it is a chemical change, and also this is irreversible change. Okay, so the type of change undergone in this reaction is chemical change. I hope the concept is clear to all of you. Thank you for your attention.